What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis and back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. As you can see, we're starting to form a little bit of an uptrend here. But yeah, remember, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description. Free stocks, Robinhood, Webull, Public.com, all that good stuff. And if you want to donate to the channel, go ahead and hit that PayPal link in the description, and it'll really help the channel out a lot. I'm going to start doing live streams, so I definitely need some equipment for that. And also, if you want to donate, you can definitely check out the Cash App links. And if you want this automatic in all these automatic indicators for this, all these trading indicators, they're literally automated and it's seamlessly easy for anyone, beginners, experts, pros, all that. Then definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. You can definitely get 25% off for using the discount code Marsellis. And let's get right to this video. So as you can see right here, Dogecoin was a little bit oversold from this morning onto this point now. So now you're seeing an uptrend kind of happening here inside of Dogecoin. That's actually pretty good. And, it's slowly but surely making an uptrend here. It may or may not be short lived. I don't know how long this uptrend is going to go for because the bears are ruling Dogecoin by 60% here. As you can see with the 24-hour market control, bears are ruling by 60%, meaning the bears are ruling the market. Now, as you can see here, the second we got up here to the supply and demand area, it was showing that there wasn't enough demand for Dogecoin, which caused Dogecoin to drop too much supply. There wasn't enough, money inside of Doge. And anyways, now we're going down here, and this green bar right here is going to tell us whether or not we're going to go up. So if we hit this green bar right here, that just shows us that there's going to be huge demand for Dogecoin if Dogecoin reaches 2360. So yeah, if Dogecoin gets all the way down to 2360, then yeah, we're gonna have a lot of demand for Dogecoin. But right now, as you can see, it's trying to form a strong uptrend, but we're almost being rejected here. So you can see that there's actually red candlesticks starting to try to form up from here. So we may or may not actually go out and break out of this. So this could mean that we might continue to go into a downtrend because bears are taking over by 60%. So we might go down to 23 cents before we try to retest all our resistance up here at 25. So anyways, let me go over here and then look at this from the 1 minute chart, and then you can see a different perspective here. So if you wanted to look at it from the short term, this is another view you could look at it from. So as you can see, actually, let me go over here and change this sensitivity a little bit. But anyways, it shows that we are inside of a strong downtrend over here, and we are trying to hit an uptrend. But this uptrend looks like it's about to be short-lived because this red area here, like I said, is a supply and demand. And right now, that demand right there, if we hit that right there, it just shows that there's not enough demand for Dogecoin to continue on an uptrend, which is exactly why you see this oscillator actually getting smaller, leading towards the bearish movement. So we actually might end up dropping here because it was previously oversold. We started to try to get a little bit of buy orders here, but it's still, being taken over. We're still taken over by 40% when looking at the 1 minute chart. We're still taking over by 40% of bears while looking at the 1 minute chart. So looking back at the 15-minute chart, you can see the bears taking over 60% if there's a load. And eventually, there it is, bears taking over by 60%. So it's trying to form a little bit of an uptrend. But look right here, we actually have some potential to rise here with Dogecoin. So will Dogecoin breach its 200 DMA or continue to retain it? So Dogecoin will soon have to cross its 200 DMA to encourage more investors to engagement. So the benchmark for any leading crypto is its popularity in the fans. And obviously, the Dogecoin community is getting big, very big right now. So over here, currently the global market cap of Doge is 32 billion. You go over here and look at this, we're at 32 billion, up 14% in the last 7 days. That's pretty good. Only up 1% in the last 24 hours, which is what they're talking about. We definitely need some more demand here in Dogecoin. Too much supply, not enough demand. But anyways, as you can see, Dogecoin has been reaching its primary support line of 200-day after facing rejection from higher levels. So Doge has been trying to reach higher levels here. So Dogecoin price analysis. The undisputed leader of the crypto meme is Dogecoin. So crypto memes, Dogecoin is literally the top of all of them. Now over here, you can see for investors to continue acknowledging it as bullish with a robust investment sentiments, it has to cross the 200 DMA resistance as early as possible. Breaching its 200 DMA level will show that the original digital token is constantly moving towards indicating positive stance for the asset. So we have to patch that 200-day DMA. So over here, you can see, as per the technical analysis of Dogecoin's price, it might too fall under the volatile category and is susceptible to market highs and lows. The Dogecoin price, according to CoinMarketCap, 24 cents, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, let's scroll down here. We do have to face 26 cents resistance right now. And right now, Dogecoin just has to stay above 20 cents. If we go below 20 cents, that's going to cause huge sell-offs of Dogecoin. Huge sell-off. So anyways, according to experts, traders expect to witness a positive momentum in Dogecoin. Anyways, the price analysis, I mean, this right here is pretty stupid in my opinion. I mean, anyways, shout out to Analytics Insight for this, but they say the price for Dogecoin in 2026 is 94 cents in 5 years. I don't believe that at all. I believe it's going to be way more than 94 cents in 5 years. That's just not, it's just not, I don't know. Anyways, is it a profitable investment right now? Dogecoin definitely could be, but yeah, they definitely are right about the 200 DMA. They're not right about about the 94 cents in 5 years. They're definitely not right about that. But the 200 the 200 DMA, we definitely have to pass that. But right now, what I was saying about this uptrend is, yeah, it's showing that we're about to go on a strong uptrend, but just like here, this strong uptrend was short-lived, and then the bears really took over. And if you look at it from the line view, you can see like it tried to go on an uptrend here, but it actually got rejected at resistance here at 25 cents. So that brought us straight into a downtrend. And as you can see up here, you can see we had it. It showed us that we had a chance of reversal. It went down, and then we tried to go back up on a strong uptrend, but it was short-lived. You can see here we're trying to go back up on a strong uptrend, but it's showing that it's actually short-lived right now. It's already showing that early. So let's go back over here to the candles view. You can actually see it. So this is actually probably going to be another short-lived uptrend here. So definitely continue to watch out for that and see what's going on with Dogecoin here. As you can see, we've been trying to break out repeatedly with these strong uptrends, but we keep getting hit by reversals and strong downtrends. Like strong uptrend tries to go up, but then a strong downtrend hits it again. Right here, we were actually on a really strong uptrend here, and then we just went on a really strong downtrend there. So Dogecoin right now is like literally trying to get above the odds, but the bears are trying to take over Dogecoin. They keep selling out on Dogecoin. So I don't know what we're going to see there, but we're definitely getting sold out here inside of Dogecoin. But anyways, let's move on to some other stuff that we have with Dogecoin. As you can see, up 14% still in the last 24 hours or 7 days. That's pretty good. Anyways, we have this order right here at $1.2 billion. This is probably just a transfer, honestly. It was a transfer that happened yesterday at $1.2 billion. That's a lot of money right there in Dogecoin. And then over here, you got more stuff over here. So this Dogecoin right here, $64 million of a one large time purchase, like 7 days, not 7 days ago, yesterday on the 7th, like a one large time purchase, $64 million. That's a huge purchase right there. I mean, that's really big. And then you got this over here, people are doing their little day trades, making that money, 36.3 million to 36.4 million within a couple hours. Or, I mean, a lot of people are really trying to profit off of Dogecoin. You're definitely seeing the whales manipulating the Dogecoin price, and that's why it's saying bears are in control of the market by 60% with Dogecoin. So they're really just taking over. So yeah, we got to be careful here. So anyways, there are some people, buying it and holding it, but most of the time we see these whales, they're buying in, they're selling out and making money here and there. But anyways, is Dogecoin set to follow Sheep's 400% breakout? So that's what a lot of people have been saying. They really want Dogecoin to follow in the same steps as Shiba Inu. And a lot of people are thinking that the whole reason Sheep was jumping was because the tweet. She was not jumping because of this tweet. All the tweet says is Floki Frunk Puppy. It literally has nothing to do with Shiba Inu. This did not do anything to Shiba Inu. Let me tell you that right now. I 100% believe this did not have anything to do with Shiba Inu. This helped Floki Inu go up, but this did not help Shiba Inu whatsoever. It was just a random post Elon Musk made. He said nothing about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu wasn't even in the post, so it wasn't because of that. It's because all the rumors with Shiba Inu and Robinhood and just a bunch of whales pumping Shiba Inu. And look, they came out and they made all these articles talking about that it's this post right here, which could just be the whales, maybe telling people like, look, tell them that it's because of this, even though it's because the whales pumping sheep. So the whales are literally pumping sheep, and they actually dumped a little bit of sheep. So I'm definitely not convinced that it was this tweet that made it do that. But anyways, Dogecoin is definitely preparing for a breakout, as they say. We're just now showing the 200 DMA, and it shows that, if Dogecoin can break it and pass it, then we're actually going for a breakout. So anyways, let's go over this. So As you can see, the chart above, the vortex, as they call it, score for Doge climbed into the green zone and hit a high of 74 on October 1st, around 61 hours before the price increased by 26.7%. And they're saying that it's actually about to do something similar right now. So we may actually see that, and it may actually be like something really big. It shows that since that happened, we started to go on a bullish movement here. So we actually might see something big happening for Dogecoin in the near future. And also something big is happening right now. Public.com is now accepting cryptos. I have a public.com link inside the description if you guys want to sign up. Both of us get free stocks. You can take those free stocks and put it straight into Doge. They have Dogecoin, Cardano, they have Ethereum, Litecoin, a bunch of other good cryptos. So really good stuff going on there. Definitely check out public.com now that they're accepting that, and they got Dogecoin on there now. So that's actually pretty big news there. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. As you can see, we still are trying to break inside of a strong uptrend here. And you can see the oscillator is trying to build up more supply of Dogecoin, more demand. As you can see, we're starting to get some green here inside the oscillator. So it shows that we are inside of a little bit of an uptrend. But remember, the bears are taking control by 60%, meaning that the bears have more potential to bring us down to the supply and demand area here and then over here pretty much. And anyways, I'm just saying that if we do reach this area right here, that's going to mean that there's not enough demand once we get all the way up there, because the demand would have brought us up there, and then we'll probably lose the demand as we get up there, leading all the supply to bring us down. And if we get all the way down here, that means eventually we will have demand, because then the whales and everyone else is going to see that Dogecoin's at 2350, which is a good support level for us, and that's when they actually start to buy in. So yeah, that's pretty much all we have here for Dogecoin today. Remember, although I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy a bunch of Dogecoin or sell a bunch of Dogecoin. Just telling you the truth about Dogecoin, which a lot of people won't do. A lot of people are just going to say Dogecoin to the moon. I'm going to say, yes, Dogecoin to the moon. But right now, as you can see, Dogecoin is being overtaken by bears right now by 60%. So the bears are trying to take Dogecoin down, but we're having a lot of support. Doge does not want to go below 24 cents. As you can see, like, it does not want to go below 24 cents at all. So we definitely have potential to rise inside Dogecoin, and a lot of people believe that. I also believe it, but we just had to keep pushing here. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you like the video, though, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also, if you like these automatic trading indicators right here, definitely check out the link in the description for Vital Algo. You can get a 25% discount by using the discount code Marsellis. And also, if you want to help out the channel, please hit that donation button inside the PayPal link in the description. It really helps me out a lot. I'm definitely going to be setting up a whole studio setup here, and I'm going to be doing live streams and stuff. So you can definitely check out the Cash App donation button as well if you want to. And definitely check that out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.